Ava, wake up! It is 7 cont.
We are late! Mom didn't wake us!
This is bad.
We will miss school.
Let's check Mom. Mom, wake up!
Mom!
What time is it?
7.
Oh no! I overslept! I worked late last night.
We are late.
Quick, get ready! I need my uniform!
Where is my bag? Hurry up.
What is happening?
We are late.
I will help!
Thank you.
Here, eat this. Jam bread?
It's okay. No time.
Shoes on!
Bag ready. Let's go.
Run fast!
We can make it. Come on.
Don't stop!
The bus. Wait. It is leaving. Oh
I will call Noah. He can help.
Please come. We need help. We need help. We missed it.
no. Now what? I feel bad.
Don't worry.
Noah, can you help?
Yes, I am coming.
Thank you.
He is coming!
Get in. Let's go. Drive fast.
Relax, we will reach.
I hope so. I don't want to be late.
You will be okay.
We are here.
Finally. Thank you, Noah.
Anytime.
You are late.
Sorry, we had a problem. We helped them.
Okay, come in.
Thank you. We made it.
Sit down.
Yes. That was crazy. Yes. I was scared. Me too.
I am sorry. I was very tired.
It's okay.
We understand.
We must help each other.
Yes.
We can wake up early.
We will help.
We must help each other.
Yes.
We can wake up early.
We will help.
Thank you, everyone. You helped me. We are a team.
Always.
Next time, no panic.
Yes.
Better plan.
Good idea.
Today was hard.
But we learned.
Family helps family.
Always.